Hello, everybody. My name is David Sneider, and this is Chris Casano, and we are the core team at SDKD. We're building developer tools for blockchain applications and for the blockchain ecosystem. First, just to set a little bit of context, the world of, if we compare blockchain development to web development, of course, is significantly further ahead. There's an enormous amount of complexity that has been abstracted away for people who are developing web applications. In fact, if you're developing a web app, you don't even have to think about scalability anymore. You can pass that off to somebody else. In our world of blockchain, all of that amazing abstraction does not exist. And so that is our goal, is to make it easier to build these applications. And we do that by, again, abstracting away complexity. So what our product is specifically, it's a snippet of code that you drop into your mobile application, and once you've done that, you are able to switch on modules. So modules are just reusable components, parts, snippets of code, sometimes containing UI elements as well that are customizable. And the idea is that you can turn on a wallet, turn on account recovery, turn on a leaderboard. Let's say that you want to have, you make an application and you have an ERC20 application token, and you want users in your application to be able to comment and upvote with your app token, rather than every single application developer building that from scratch every time. They can come to a system like ours, grab the component, and move a lot faster, and essentially hide a lot of the infrastructure. So what we're going to do here is show a little bit of a demo. And we were going to do this demo live, but the Wi-Fi is a little shaky, so we'll see it here. If you want to come see it live on your own phone, we've got a table at the back of the hall. So what we've got here is an application, a mobile app. This is an ERC20 wallet, super simple. It's live on the testnet. As far as we know, this is the first mobile wallet SDK. It deploys automatically on the device, all of that good stuff. And so what we want to do is add in one of these modules. And so in this example, we'll go ahead and grab our leaderboard module from our docs. And what Chris is doing is he's copying the module from the developer portal, and is going to paste it into the source code. And upon pasting and saving, we now have a leaderboard in our application. And so while this seems simple, there's actually some amazing stuff going on here. This is a UI element that is grabbing from application data, reading data off the blockchain, and in this case, using the Etherscan's API, and all of that complexity is hidden away, so a developer, again, can just move really fast as we all together build this application ecosystem for people to use all these wonderful tokens that we're creating. Yeah. Excellent. So where we are now, just an update. We've got this mobile wallet SDK. If you're building an application, especially a mobile app that uses an ERC20 token, definitely come talk to us. We've got some basic modules done, like payment and account recovery, and we've got some pretty clever ideas about how we're storing the user's private key on the device, recognizing that for a consumer-grade application, the idea of a 12-word passphrase is a bit prohibitive. So there's some interesting things that we're working on there. And then our focus is on building more modules, integrating with really interesting projects, and continuing to build out the ecosystem. So with that, that's a little bit about us. We're here ultimately to meet people who are interested in what we're building, and we may be interested in what they're building. So please reach out if you think you fall into any of these buckets or just want to talk. And I'm David Sneider, and that's Chris Casano. And thank you so much for your time. And thanks, Kurt, from BlockCon. This has been really amazing. So thank you so much.